Assalamualaikum non-Batalay.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
Welcome to our channel, TwoHungry Traveler.
Now we have buy some snacks, okay? That one we eat with the rice also, and there's some other snacks. That one is like sweet. I'll show you exactly what it is. This is the one. No, you join with the two one. It's a sweet one, but this one I never tasted before. Okay, see inside you can see that one. It is like nuts also mixed with that one. Okay, this one is basic. Bagis. Okay, chicharon bagis. This is chicharon baboy. This one. Okay, baboy means pig, pork. Okay, let me taste first. Very nasty one. See this one? It is actually a skin of the pork, baboy. Okay, so that is the reason it is very soft, right? But here only I taste this one. Before this kind of this one I never tasted. See how it is breaking. See this one? Very soft and crunchy. I prefer without vinegar only. But here people used to put this vinegar and they mix some salt also. Vinegar actually too much sour. Melt. It suddenly melt. Very tasty this one.
You
I
try
like this
inside. One more.
One
The
more.
one haven't break.
Oh, okay,
This
okay,
one.
okay. See here. The dog's also waiting.
Yeah, see. Hachiku, hi.
Okay, see how it is. Very
You
crunchy.
see inside.
Outside.
You break it.
No, inside nothing there. Very crunchy one.
Oh!
Here, inside. Also. Okay. This one my wife usually break it. For the dog, that saliva is dripping.
Bye,
Big one.
Hachiku, Rambu, Douglas.
See here.
Bagis.
This is Bagis Baboy. This one, same like in my place, they used to call aplopo. Like that. This one, like they used to mix with the rice. Also, they will eat for the crunchy one. See, I will mix in the vinegar. This one you can dip with the vinegar because it is little bit hard, not same like the other one. See? This one little bit hard one, but crunchy, not too much salty. But that one is salty, but very. Once you put in mouth, it's melt. This one it's not like that. It's hard, but tasty. Nice.
So which one of this you like most?
I like this one, baboy.
Chicharon baboy. You finish up and we
And
go to
this is the
we
one.
go to sweet.
Sweet. See here. Inside. Focus. Come close. See. This is a nuts one. They mix. Actually, I don't like sweet too much. I used to eat too much sauce. I mean, spicy.
You break it. What's inside?
And I hope everyone saw this one and everyone liked this video. If you like the video, please share, comment, and the person who don't subscribe also please subscribe and support my channel. And thanks for watching again, and God bless everyone. Bye.